attacks happens all over the place. We have been seeing attacks day in and day out. All the attacks that happens in all the big guys, the banks, the enterprises, as well as on the SMEs, all are through the existing defenses. We do have antiviruses, we do have firewalls, IPS and IDS, but how we always end up in losing data across to the criminals? That's a question that we need to ask ourselves, right? Is our defenses enough? Are they able to pick up all kind of attacks? Because there is a number out there in the internet which says that there's a 1 million malware variation that's actually coming out every day. When we do not even know what is coming towards us, how do we prevent? How do we protect? Right? As the attacks and the capabilities needed to run an attack becomes more easier with a whole lot of automated tools, defense and securing becomes a challenge. So to understand how do we actually defend of all the various attacks, whether it is on the network side or the application side or on your mobile devices, please reach out to InfoTrek, where we run courses which gets into a deeper technology deep dive level with 100% of all hands-on. How to rerun the attacks in a lab environment, and how do you actually pick up and how do you defend. See you in the class.